Okay, we're gonna make a newspaper pot. So you want to start with a square. So I see that my paper is 35 centimeters. So I need 35 centimeters. So this is our local weekly, and it makes a very small pot. I need to know the center. So I'm going to mark it because I want my pot to be flat on the bottom. So that's my center. Because I'm going to make lots of pots, I just push hard so that on the next sheet I can feel where it is. But we're going to just do one sheet at a time. Over the season, I'm going to make hundreds. So I fold the 4 corners diagonally to the center. I am not worried that they're not touching and that they're not identical. It's not fussy. So now I want about 1/3. And I'm going to do that on all 4 sides. So there's 2, and then there's my other side. And then to make it into a square, I'm gonna need these to fold nicely. So I make the fold this way so that they'll stand better. So these 2 sides are gonna form one side of my box. It'll be probably easier to see it from this side. So I make them stand up. And then this side folds down and helps reinforce the bottom. When we're folding them, you can see it's all that holds it together is its folds. But then once you fill it with dirt, it holds very nicely. And I make the next one so that they can nest. So the next box will have a narrower bottom. So there's my center again. So 4 corners to the center. And again, more or less to the center. And this time I'm going to make my bottom a little smaller, so I'll fold these up a little bit more. And again, a crisper fold does make it a little easier to fold, but they aren't very hard to fold. I'm going fold to fold. And then I'm going to fold this flat down. And at the bottom, I hope you can see, it's a doubled layer. And now I can easily put one box inside the other so that I can store lots of boxes. The next thing I'll do is make one with white paper so it's easier to see what each of these folds is.